Congratulations on the purchase of your new LG side-by-side refrigerator. Let's go over a few important checkpoints to make sure you install your refrigerator properly. First, check the size of the refrigerator and make sure you have enough installation space. You will need at least 50 mm of space between the walls and 50 mm behind the refrigerator. Make sure you have enough space in the back. You should also check if you have enough room in front of the refrigerator to fully open the doors and drawers. It is a good idea to check the pathway to your installation location for clearance. You may need to remove the refrigerator doors to pass through narrow spaces. You should call your LG service center to remove and assemble the doors. Also, be sure you have firm and level flooring in the installation place. The unit must be installed and leveled on a solidly constructed floor to avoid noise and vibration. If necessary, adjust the leveling legs to compensate for the unevenness of the floor. Check out our video on how to level the refrigerator if you need assistance. You should also check the installation environment. Install your refrigerator in an area where the temperature is between 10 degrees Celsius and 43 degrees Celsius. If the temperature around the refrigerator is too low or too high, cooling abilities may be adversely affected. Do not place the refrigerator in direct sunlight or expose it to heat from heating appliances such as stoves or heaters. Next, check to make sure you have the correct electric socket. Only connect this refrigerator to a dedicated grounded electric socket rated for use with this model. Always connect the refrigerator plug directly to the wall socket. Lastly, you will also need access to a cold water supply. This is to operate the water dispenser and automatic ice maker. Make sure there is sufficient water pressure. If the water pressure is too low, you will need to install a booster pump. And those are the important things to check before installing your new LG refrigerator. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.